So today we start the practical to verify the Lambert-Beer law for potassium dichromate solution using the colorimeter. Okay. So this is the colorimeter instrument which is used to verify the Lambert-Beer law. Okay. So first of all we will prepare a solution for n by 10, that is n by 10 potassium dichromate solution. Okay. So n by 10 potassium dichromate solution is prepared and we have taken this in this burette. You can see we have taken this in this burette. Okay. Potassium dichromate solution and pure distilled water is taken in the second burette. Okay. So solutions are prepared. Then for this colorimeter, in this colorimeter we are using only spectroscopy which is used only visible spectroscopy in the visible range, that is from 400 to 800 nanometer. Within this range the spectra that can be noted, that's why this is not UV visible spectroscopy but this is colorimeter. Okay. So for colorimeter, first step is, this is the colorimeter tube. You can see here सबसे पहले हमने एक blank solution is used. Blank solution means we are taking the water as a solution. ठीक है. Blank is the solution which is used, solvent which is used to prepare the potassium dichromate solution. ठीक है. So first of all we are taking the water, pure water in this tube. ठीक है. You can see there is a mark in this tube. Here a black color mark is shown here, and from the colorimeter you can see that in the colorimeter you can see that there is this white color mark. So this black color mark and this white color mark जो है that is put at the same position in this tube. ठीक है. So after putting here you can see here the points. This is the absorbance value, this is absorbance, this is the auto zero, and this is the percentage transmittance. For the blank, or you can say it is a reference solution. For this reference solution, absorbance value is taken 0. So we will set this value as 0 by clicking on auto zero value. Okay. When absorbance is 0, the percentage transmittance is 100%. Okay. So this value is 100%. So absorbance is taken as 0. Okay. So now we will discard this water, blank solution, and now we will, second step जो है हमारे पास, that is we are taking the pure potassium dichromate solution, pure solution of potassium dichromate in this tube, and then we will note the lambda max value. Okay. So the second step is we are taking the pure solution of potassium dichromate in the flask. जो भी हमारा solution होएगा उसकी pure form को we are putting it in this hole in the colorimeter. ठीक है. Then this is the value which is this is rotated and there is a particular value. This is the lambda max value. ठीक है. Like we are starting from 670. Suppose we are starting from 670. 67 means this is a 670 nanometer wavelength. ठीक है. For each wavelength we are noting the absorbance value. This value is noted. ठीक है. So for pure potassium dichromate at 667 value we are noted that at 670 the absorbance is 0.03 lambda and absorbance. We are noting here each value. ठीक है. Second is 450 पर इसकी वैल्यू आ रही है 1.23. ठीक है. And at 470 its value is 1.21, sorry 20 after some constant. At 510 its value is 0.73. At 520 its value is 0.38, sorry 30 its value is 0.30. At 540 its value is minus 0.04. The value comes out to be minus. At 570 its value is 0.09. ठीक है. And at 600 its value is 0.16. ठीक है. And then again at 670 its value is 0.03. So at all these wavelength value the absorbance is noted for the pure solution of potassium dichromate, and you can see this table, this values is noted. From this table we have to calculate the value of lambda max, that is a maximum wavelength at which the absorbance is maximum. Lambda max is wavelength at which the absorbance is maximum. From this table you can easily identify that this is the value 1.23, which is the maximum absorbance. So according to 1.23, lambda max is 450 nanometer. So for potassium dichromate solution K2Cr2O7, for this solution we are fixing the lambda max at 450 nanometer. Okay? So in this instrument we have fixed the wavelength value, that is at 450. 450 filter जो है that is fixed. ठीक है? Now this is the second step. The next is the step third. In the third step we are preparing these solutions. I have shown you here. We are preparing these solutions. हमने numbering कर दिया each test tube की. Volume of potassium dichromate and volume of water is changed. In the first tube 0 ml potassium dichromate and 10 ml of the water. When pure water is used, we have auto set the reading at 0 absorbance. ठीक है? For fifth tube देखो, fifth tube में हमारे पास है 10 ml of the potassium dichromate and 0 ml of the water. That means pure potassium dichromate. And for pure potassium dichromate हमारी कितनी वैल्यू आई थी absorbance की? 1.23. This is the value 1.23 pure potassium dichromate के लिए. ठीक है? लैम्डा मैक्स जो हमने सेट किया था दैट इज 450 नैनोमीटर, दैट इज द एब्जॉर्बेंस वैल्यू. नाउ वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग दी टेस्ट ट्यूब्स, डिफरेंट टेस्ट ट्यूब्स. लाइक आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड हियर 3 डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस इन विच टेस्ट ट्यूब नंबर 2 जो है दैट इज 2 ml पोटाशियम डाइक्रोमेट, 8 ml ऑफ वाटर. इन टेस्ट ट्यूब 3 4 ml पोटाशियम डाइक्रोमेट एंड 6 ml of water, and in test tube 4 8 ml of the potassium dichromate and 2 ml of water is added. Okay, so this is the test tube holder, and in this test tube holder I have put all these test tube. numbering मैंने की हुई है 1 2 3 4 and 5. ठीक है? So in this test tube from this borates, this is the potassium dichromate solution, this is the water solution. We are putting the, according to the table, whatever value is required, whatever ml volume is required for each solution, we are putting in this test tube. Okay? So here I have prepared the 3 different solutions for test tube 2, 3 and 4. This is the volume used, 2, 3 and 4 test tube. 2 ml, 4 ml and 8 ml solution is used. ठीक है? For test tube second, I have put some solution in this colorimeter tube and then place this in this colorimeter hole. ठीक है? And then note the absorbance value at the 450 nanometer. You can see the value comes out to be 0.26. ठीक है? Then note this value at this table, that is the value is 0.26. ठीक है? Now similarly we are noting the same reading for the second test tube. Wait. Now I have put this solution third, test tube third का solution I have put in this into this colorimeter tube, and then again note the value. The value comes out to be 0.65. Note this reading in this table, that is 0.65 is the reading. ठीक है? Now this solution I have discard this solution for test tube number 3 and put this solution number 4, test tube 4 solution into this tube. And put this into this test tube, and the reading is noted for absorbance value 1.09, and note this value at here 1.09. ठीक है? So this is the value. You can prepare many more test tubes by changing the volume of potassium dichromate and water by taking the total volume as 10 ml. ठीक है. आफ्टर obtaining each absorbance value, you have to prepare plot a graph between absorbance versus concentration of potassium dichromate solution. If the graph should be comes out to be straight line graph, if the graph is a straight line, that means your Lambert-Beer law जो है that is verified. Lambert-Beer law is verified. ठीक है. So this is the all experiment about verification of Lambert-Beer law for potassium dichromate solution. Okay, thank you.